Morning. So we're re-looking at these identity properties because the first video that I recorded was kind of garbage. So the additive identity. So we're talking about the additive identity. You're asking yourself, when you think about that word identity, your identity doesn't change when you're thinking about your identity. You can change everything else basically about yourself, but who you are, your DNA, if you look at your fingerprint, that's always going to be the same. So when we think of identity, we think of identical, meaning the same. So if we're looking at the additive identity, we're asking ourselves, what can I add to any number x and still get x back out and still have the same or the identical thing? So that might immediately jump out at you that the additive identity is 0. Because x plus 0, or anything plus 0, is always going to give you x back. And same kind of thing with the multiplicative identity. The multiplicative identity, what can I multiply any number by and still get that same number back? The multiplicative identity is 1. And that's again because anything times 1 is itself. Just like anything plus 0 is itself. You're not changing any of that at all. So there are those identity properties.